before this day slips quietly into memory, before this morning becomes this afternoon, before this afternoon becomes tonight. Pause for a moment. Take a breath and notice that you are here, not in yesterday's worries, not in tomorrow's plans, but here in this living, breathing moment. This exact moment has never existed before, and when it passes, it will never come again. So often we move through our days on autopilot, rushing, planning, solving, carrying the weight of responsibilities and expectations. Yet some of the most meaningful moments of our lives arrive quietly. A sunrise, a smile, a conversation, a breath. And if we are not present, we miss them. For the next few minutes, allow yourself to set everything down. The to-do list can wait. The unanswered questions can wait. But this moment is asking for your attention now. So take a slow, deep breath in and gently let it go. Allow yourself to arrive. Welcome to now. Allow your breathing to become your anchor. Nothing forced. Nothing complicated. Simply breathe. Inhale slowly through the nose. And exhale softly through the mouth. Again. Notice how each breath arrives without effort. Your body has been doing this for you every moment of your life. Even while you slept, even during difficult days, even through moments of joy and heartbreak, the breath has remained steady, present, a quiet guide back to yourself. Feel the gentle rise of your chest, the soft expansion of your lungs, the rhythm moving through you. A reminder that life is not happening somewhere else. It is happening here, right now. With every inhale, imagine yourself becoming more present. With every exhale, imagine releasing what no longer needs your attention. For this moment, simply be. One breath at a time. Now imagine yourself stepping into a beautiful morning. The world is waking gently around you. The first light of sunrise stretches across the horizon. Soft golden rays paint the sky in shades of peach, pink, and gold. Feel that gentle warmth touching your skin. Just enough to remind you that a new day has begun. Nearby, a flower opens its petals to the morning light. Notice its delicate colors, the tiny details, the elegance that exists without effort. Imagine leaning closer. Perhaps you catch its fragrance. Sweet, fresh, natural. A gift offered freely by nature. And as you stand there, allow yourself to remember something important. The beauty of life is not hidden. It lives in ordinary moments, in quiet mornings, in gentle breezes, in the simple privilege of being here. Pause here for a moment. Breathe in deeply. And as you exhale, allow yourself to soften even more. This moment is enough. Listen carefully. Perhaps you hear birds singing in the distance. A gentle breeze moving through leaves. The rustling of branches. The quiet hum of life continuing all around you. How often do these moments go unnoticed? How often do we rush past them, waiting for something bigger, something extraordinary? Yet life is not waiting in the future. Life is happening now, in the warmth of sunlight on your skin, in the scent of fresh air, in the laughter of someone you love, in the feeling of your heart beating inside your chest. These moments may seem small, but one day they become the memories we treasure most. Not because they were perfect, but because they were real. This is life, and it is beautiful. Not because everything is easy, but because you are here to experience it. Now visualize gentle rain beginning to fall. Tiny droplets resting on leaves, collecting on flower petals, shimmering like tiny diamonds. Each drop catches the light. Each drop exists for only a moment before it disappears. And yet it is beautiful. Just like today, not because it lasts forever, but because it doesn't. Take a slow breath and remember, sometime the precious things in life are precious because they are temporary. This morning, this season, this chapter of your life, even this very breath, all of it is passing. And because it is passing, it deserves to be cherished. Think of the people you love, the conversations you share, the moments that make you smile. None of them are guaranteed forever. So take a pause to notice, to love deeply while you can. Bring your awareness back to your heart and allow gratitude to gently arise. Not gratitude for a perfect life. Not gratitude because everything has gone according to plan. Simply gratitude for this moment, for this breath, for this opportunity to be alive, for another sunrise, another chance, another day to learn, to grow, to love. Silently repeat, thank you for this day. Thank you for this breath. Thank you for this body. Thank you for this moment. Thank you for the beauty that surrounds me. Thank you for the beauty within me. Allow gratitude to spread through you like warm sunlight. Notice how gratitude softens the heart, how it shifts your attention from what is missing to what is already here. And in that awareness, discover the abundance that has been with you all along. Now repeat these affirmations slowly. Allow each one to settle deeply within you. I am fully present in this moment. I welcome the beauty of today. I choose to notice life's simple gifts. I release yesterday. I trust tomorrow. live here and now. I am grateful for this breath. I allow myself to experience joy. I allow myself to appreciate this moment. Life is happening now, and I am here for it. I choose presence over distraction. I choose gratitude over hurry. I choose to fully experience this precious day. As you feel deeply rooted in the beauty of now, remember something simple. You do not need a perfect day to enjoy today. You do not need certainty to feel peace. You do not need everything to be resolved before allowing yourself to be happy. The sunrise does not wait until conditions are perfect before it shines. Flowers do not wait until life is easy before they bloom. Rain does not ask permission before it falls. And you do not need to wait before appreciating the gift of being alive. This day is here. This breath is here. And that is more than enough, because your life is not measured only by achievements. It is measured by moments lived, moments noticed, moments appreciated. And this moment matters. Take one final deep breath in. Feel the miracle of life filling your lungs. And slowly let it go. Carry this awareness with you today. Notice the flowers. Feel the sunshine. Listen to the birds. Watch the clouds. Appreciate the people you love. And enjoy this beautiful day, one breath at a time. If this meditation touched your heart, take a moment to write in the comments, "I choose to be present for this beautiful day." And let that simple reminder guide you back to the beauty of now.